Hello guys, this is Sir Mars and you are watching Lectures ni Sir Mars. So in this video, our lecture is about how to make an equation of a sphere or how to solve for the equation of a sphere. So this is still under sa subject na analytic geometry. Okay, so let's start. So paano nga ba natin makukuha yung equation ng sphere? Ang sphere is a three-dimensional na solid. Ang ating kailangang malaman dito, una, is, of course, kailangan alam natin yung center ng ating sphere. So, kung nakikita natin sa figure, yung O yung ating hinahanap dito. Or, sometimes, yung ibang mga books, yung kanilang symbol para sa center ay C. Okay? So, take note, ang ating coordinate ng O or center or C, no, ay H, K, J. So, yung H dito is the X coordinate, yung K is the Y coordinate, and yung J is the Z coordinate. Okay? And kapag nakuha mo na yung coordinate ng center and meron kang radius, okay, then you can now make your equation of the sphere. So, bali guys, ito lamang yung ating equation ng sphere na formula. That is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared plus z minus j squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so ang dali lang na to guys, no? So, all you have to do is to substitute here the h, k, at saka j, pati na din yung r. And therefore, kapag simplify mo siya, no, makukuha mo na yung equation ng sphere. Okay, so para mas maintindihan natin guys, no, let's solve an example problem. So let us solve this problem. Determine the radius of the sphere whose equation is x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 1 equals 0. So nandiyan ang ating mga choices. So A is 5, B is 3, C is 4, and D is 2. Okay? So again, ang ating kinahanap dito is the radius ng ating sphere. Okay? So take note, hindi natin kailangang i-plot yung ating sphere, no, para ma-solve itong problem. Okay? So sige, so para mas maintindihan natin, no, i-solve na natin itong problem. Ulitin lamang natin guys, yung ating formula para sa equation ng sphere is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared plus z minus j squared then equals to r squared. Okay, so bali guys, ang nangyari dito is given na yung ating equation. Sa ating problem, given na yung equation, ang kailangan na lamang natin makuha dito is yung radius ng ating sphere. Okay, so yung ating equation according to the problem is x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 8x minus 2y plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so ang gagawin natin guys is una, pagsasama-samahin natin yung mga same terms, yung mga same na variable. So, bali ang mangyari is x squared plus, itatabi natin sa kanya si 8x, then plus y squared, then minus 2y, okay? Then plus z squared, okay? And then yung constant na 1 ay tatranspose natin sa kabilang side, so magiging negative 1 siya. Okay? Sige, so ngayon, ang gagawin natin guys is completing the square. So I hope naalala nyo yung completing the square. Okay, so i-complete natin yung square ng x, pati na din yung y, and pati na din yung z. Okay, sige, so ang mangyayari guys is kukunin lamang natin yung kalahati ni positive 8. So bali ang kalahati niya is positive 4, then square niyan, so that is plus 16. Okay, so mag-a-add lamang tayo nung square ng kalahati nung coefficient ng x. Dito din, ganun din ang gagawin natin, negative 1 ang kalahati, then squared, so bale plus 1 dito. Dito, okay, wala tayong coefficient ng z, so 0, so bale plus 0 lang din siya, okay lang, no? So bale, ang ginawa natin guys, no, is nag-add tayo ng 16 at saka 1 sa other side ng equation. So ang gagawin lamang natin is i-add din natin yun sa right side, no, para mawala yung effect ng in-add natin. So plus 16 and then plus 1. Okay, so ngayon guys, no, this is now a complete square. So ang mangyari is, ito is x plus 4 squared, no? Yung x squared plus 8x plus 16 is a square, is a complete square na binomial. So that is x plus 4 squared. Tapos yung pangalawa is yung y squared minus 2y plus 1 is a complete square na binomial, and that is y minus 1 squared. Then yung z is actually z plus 0, okay, squared. then equals to, ito is 16. So, kung napapansin natin guys, no, pareho na yung ating equation. Kailangan lamang natin igawing r squared itong nasa kabila. So, bali ang mayari dito is x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared plus z plus 0 squared equals to 4 squared. Napapansin natin, yung r squared dito is equal to 4 squared. Okay? So, r squared natin is equal to 4 squared. So, therefore, yung r natin dito is equal to 4. Okay? Ang dali ng ating problem, no? So, yung sagot natin sa problem na to is 4 kasi hinahanap natin dito yung radius. So, the answer here is letter C. Okay, so ang dali lang nitong problem. Kung hinahanap natin dito yung center ng sphere, madali lang, no? Kasi kung naalala nyo kanina, sanabi natin na yung center ng sphere, or C, is at coordinates H, K, and J. Okay, so ang mangyayari, no, sa ating equation, yung ating H dito is equal to negative 4. Tama, no? Yung ating K dito is equal to 1, and yung ating J is equal to 0. So, therefore, yung ating center ng sphere is at negative 4, 1, 0. Okay. That is kung hinahanap nga yung ating center ng sphere. Pero again, ang hinahanap dito is the radius, which is na-solve na natin siya kanina pa, and that is 4. Okay, so again, the answer here is letter C, and that is 4. So thank you for watching this video, guys. No? So sana ay magabang pa kayo sa ating mga susunod na lectures. Marami tayong mga subjects dito related to mathematics and engineering subjects. Thank you and bye-bye! If this lecture has helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can comment below or send your questions to my Facebook page, Lectures ni Sir Mars. I will paste the link in the video description. You can also download the PDF of my lectures and PDF references for civil engineering by visiting my site. The link is also in the video description. Thank you again, guys. Once again, this is Sir Mars, and see you in the next lecture.